Hi there. Let's take a moment to remember where we left off. The last time we worked on our dog walker app, we updated the low-fidelity prototype based on feedback from participants in a usability study. Up until this point, we have been focused on the app's function and the basic user flow. Now, we can begin to focus on the look and feel of the design. As a reminder, design can have different levels of fidelity. In UX, fidelity means how closely a design matches the look and feel of the final product. If a design is low fidelity, that means it has a lower amount of complexity and is less refined or polished. We call low fidelity designs lo-fi for short. UX designers use low fidelity designs when we want to get ideas out quickly and leave room for exploration. If a design is high fidelity, that means it closely matches the look and feel of the final product and is more refined or polished overall. We call high-fidelity designs hi-fi for short. UX designers use high-fidelity designs when we want to test a design that looks like a real product and get more specific feedback from users. In this course, we'll focus on high-fidelity designs. So let's jump into one kind of high-fidelity design, mockups. A mockup is a static, high-fidelity design that is used as a representation of a final product. Mockups give UX designers an indication of what the product will look like visually. Let's check out examples of mockups that were created by real entry-level UX designers. First, we have Pocket, an imaginary interactive social media and search engine created by Dane, who is now a designer at Google. Notice how different this mockup looks compared to the wireframes and low-fidelity prototypes you've made so far. In a mockup, there are actual photos, use of color, use of shadows, different fonts, and stylized buttons. It looks a lot more like a real app you might use. Let's check out another set of mockups. These are for an app called Lucere, a make-believe takeaway salad and sandwich shop. Lisa, a designer at Google, created these when she was just getting started in the field. Notice how the mockups use color gradients, different text sizes, icons, and even a map. The mockups help you really get a feel for what this product would be like if it came to life. Hopefully you're excited to create your own mockups. When designing your mockups, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Think about the visual elements you want to use on each screen of your design, such as typography, color, and iconography. Until now, our designs have only featured empty spaces or placeholders for content. Mockups have actual words, images, and icons that will appear in your design. Now is a perfect time to materialize the content that will go here. Keep in mind, going from a wireframe to a mockup should not feel like a paint-by-number exercise. For example, it's okay to place an image in a different part of your mockup design than you planned for in your wireframe. In addition, make sure that you consider ways to lay out elements on a screen, like grids, containment, and space. The way you arrange elements on a screen can make your design aesthetically pleasing, help users interact with your product, and make your designs more accessible. To get started, we're going to discuss a few foundational elements of visual design in detail. Ready? Let's go!